going to be doing some catfishing today. Hopefully, without getting kicked out, hopefully I can catch a monster. You guys stay tuned because you're about to see some epicness. Ooh, just had fish on, and that, my friends, was a good bite. And that was my second cast, so that's a good sign. The bait of choice today is night crawlers, and that seems to be working good. My problem is I have to let them have it. And when you're transitioning from bass fishing to catfishing, you have to be patient. You just gotta let the catfish just get it in his mouth before you reel down on him. Let's try that again. First fish of the day, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a good one. Ah. Very next cast, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not even kidding. It's not as big as that other one was, but I'll take it. First fish of the day. It's a good eating size, but it's not a big one. It's not the big one we were after. So we're gonna release this guy. We're gonna catch the next one. Tell me where the big ones are. You tell me where the big catfish are, or else. There's some big ones out. There's little ones, more little ones than big ones. But hopefully I can catch that monster here in a minute. That's what I'm looking forward to. But if not, I'm still having a blast out here. You can't get much better than this. I was just reeling back in, trying to get resituated, and he hit it as it was moving. Oh, this is so much fun. It's a little tiny one, but it's fun. I can't complain. Nibbling it. Yeah, buddy, come on in here. A little guy. Another one, about the same size. Ooh. He hit my worm like a freight train. He hit my worm like a freight train. I tell you what, I'm gonna grow a pair. I'm gonna go right over here next to this building where I got kicked out a couple times. Seems like I have no more bites right over here, so I'm just gonna go over here and hopefully we can do some damage. All right. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Ooh, I'm having so much fun, yes indeed. I'm gonna see if I can do that again. They keep biting my weight, not the hook. I've got a little something for them. They want to keep biting my weight and not my hook. Just give me a few minutes. I'll come up with something. I've never seen catfish eat a moving bait like this, but I got a little something for their ass. You watch. I'll take it. I mean, I'm having fun, but that's an aquarium sized bass. Hey, that would be a good video. Let me know in the comments what you think of me starting an aquarium and having a pet bass. That'd be awesome. Fish on, but he got off. This bass is a little bit better. He tore up my rattle trap. See you, little buddy. Are you kidding me? That would be the perfect size for an aquarium fish. Perfect size. Good gosh almighty, that is tiny. Get back in there. Well, the bites have slowed down quite a bit, so I just want to catch one more fish, and I'm gonna call it a day. If you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot to me that you guys stick around and watch my videos. I'm not really the man of words, but I really do appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to spending a long time with you guys. So thank you for sticking around and watching my videos. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And I try to at least post one video a week. I have a full-time job and I'm only off on the weekends, and I have a wife, and it's hard for me to just put down everything just to go record a video. But when I have a chance, I try to record at least one day a week and post one day a week. But anyway, so I'm gonna try to catch this last fish, and I'm gonna wrap it up. One more fish. I know I can do it. Good Lord, what the hell? Jeez. Little bass. I'll take it right now. Oh. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know how many bass I caught today, but I sure did have a blast today. It's been fun. See you later, little buddy.